Well, y'all know in the last video, my husband told me to get my stuff out of his closet and go, right?
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me.
Plans for it, but I don't think it's going to all fit. Okay? Now, some of the things that I want to bring in here is I have a all over body steam machine, and I want to be able to come in here, do my nails, steam my body, watch TV, exercise, film, do my makeup. I want this to be that type of room. But I am having some difficulties figuring out where everything is going to go. And yeah, right here is where I film for you guys. I films right here. If y'all seen this background, this is where I film for you guys. But I'm thinking about making a different background, and so I can move this table against a wall, and then I'll be able to be right here and exercise when I'm doing my exercising at home. So that's really what I want to do. But I like this background in my videos. It is so pretty. Then I really do want to bring my steam machine up here. So I have a lot of work to do, guys. So I can honestly say that since my husband told me to get out of his closet, I told y'all in that video that wasn't a problem because I had been preparing for that anyway. Because I had been downsizing my clothes, shoes, purses, everything. I had downsized everything already. So now everything that I have here, basically, I would say 95% of the things that I own. Okay, let me stop lying. 90% of the things that I own, I want to keep. And 10%, now that I'm re-looking at stuff, can go. And that's only because now I'm re-looking at it because I've been, you know, dressing different and feeling different about how I'm dressing because I can see my favorite things. So, even though I like that background right there, I don't think I'm going to keep it there because it's taking up everything to leave this desk right here. So, I think I'm going to move it, guys. So, I already know that I have a very long way to go with this room. But like I said, I'll know when I get it right. Now, this desk, I'm going to move it over here to this wall. But even after I did all of this moving with this desk and everything, guys, I ended up moving it again because it's still taking up too much of my floor space when I want to do other things, like I was telling you before, like exercise and, you know, film and things like that. So I have those sticks there, and those sticks are there for a reason, and you'll see why. I have moved the table, and I have enough room, you know, to walk around and get behind it. I can make some type of backdrop behind there. And, you know, for when I film for you guys. And I really liked it by the window because sometimes the window gives you good lighting. And that's what I liked about it. But I have told you guys about change and everything. So, this is something. This is something else, trying to figure this out. Now, even though I have my two IKEA, you know, tables here, I sort of like that because one, I'm right-handed and I can get to everything that I need to get to when I'm doing, whether I'm doing makeup, filming, or anything like that. So I'm sort of liking that right there. And then on top of that, that has made me, by them being together, that has given me a whole new desk to be able to put my computer on and things of that nature. So if I want to edit some videos or something like that, I can edit right here, film right here. I'll come up with a beautiful backdrop for this if I need it, and I'll show you what I mean. So guys, for now, this will be my backdrop because I moved my table. I'm sort of feeling how I have everything going now. I'm gonna keep on working on this room and moving things around. I'm excited about this because, like I said, I can put anything back here if I put anything back there at all, you know, as my backdrop. So that is a thumbs up. Can do my stuff right there. So now I guess I'll put my mirror back. I have enough room to exercise over here. It has sort of opened up the room some. It's going to get, you know, take some getting used to, but at least it's set in motion. So guys, I have been in this room filming and editing and moving things around and packing up. And I told y'all in the last video that I try to get through these, and I'm about to go fill up again because I got through this one. So let me go fill up my water. All right, I done filled up my water. So I got to get through this because filming and everything in this room and trying to figure out how I'm going to lay it out and things like that. It is 7:35 and y'all know that I don't eat no more. After 6 past, I don't eat anymore. So I ain't got to get it down because I already had like one of these, and you know, it's a lot of water in here, but I'm going to try to get through this and finish up my room. And you know what? Even though I don't know how I'm going to do this room, I am very excited about how it's going to turn out. I can tell y'all that right now. And now I'm going to tell y'all something. Even though that is a shoe rack, I love putting my purses on it. Looking for this room to be, how can I say, pretty right now. I'm not looking for it to be pretty right now. What I need it to do is be functional. So I got some of these hooks, and I'm just, you know, putting the hooks back here because I want to be able to hang my hats on these hooks when I'm getting ready to go to the health club, or, you know, I need to, yeah, when I get ready to go to the health club and I need to just grab a hat because I don't feel like doing my hair or something, I want to be able to just grab my hat. So I only got like 6 of them, and I could put them right there. So like I said, I know what I want this room to be. So that's really what I'm going for right now, for it to hold my clothes, allow me to do desk work, edit videos, make videos, exercise. Yeah, and that's it. Yep, and that's it. As long as I got this room for that, I can move with ease. Yep, so I got a few of these hooks from Dollar Tree. And they work perfect for this little project back here. So guys, while I'm doing this, thumbs up this video, like this video. And if you want to know about anything that you seen me use today, then leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll tell you where I got it from. But basically, I can tell you everything that I am using in this room today. I went around my house and looked for things, you know. And when I get to decorating this room, I'm going to go around my house and find the things that I'm going to use to decorate it. I'm not buying nothing. Nope. I get everything that I need. So, when I'm ready to go and get a hat, whether just making a run or going to the health club, just pick it up, throw it on. On to the next. All right, guys, right here is just some sticks that I had from an old mirror. And I have put them behind this table that I have. And that way I can put my mirror up to my makeup stand, you know, across here without it leaning against the wall, marking up the wall and stuff like that. So yeah, it's just 2 sticks, as you see, that I can put on this table. I'm just tightening them up. It holds a big mirror that I have. So now I'll be able to put my mirror up to that, and that'll hold my mirror from being on my wall. Now I can tell you guys right now, I'm not too worried about how the room is looking. My main thing right now is to get the layout right. Once I get my layout right, there will be no stopping me. Then, even though it sounds backwards, then I will concentrate on decorating it, you know. But right now, I need to be comfortable coming and going and having my layout right. So like I told you guys earlier, I ended up moving this table so it can go against the wall. But my mirror, when I put my mirror up, it won't touch my wall or mark up my wall because of the sticks that I have attached to this table. Now, I have a long way to go with this room. I know I'm not going to get it all done tonight, but I'm going to get a good part of it done. So the other reason why I moved the table is because those 2 lamps that's right there, those cords were going underneath my stool where I sit at, you know. So I said just move the table against the wall, and that way those lamp parts be out the way. So now I'm just trying to sweep up, try to clean up as I go. And believe it or not, guys, I am about to move this big giant dresser over here to this window. Now, it's not heavy or anything like that because all of my furniture in my room is on sliders or wheels. So it wasn't hard at all to move. I wish I could have just left it where it was, but it would have been in the way because of how I just changed my makeup table. Now, guys, while we're sitting here watching me move this big old jalopy that I am going to get rid of, trust and believe that. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll know when part 2 of this video is going to, come out, because look at everything that I have to do. I am not going to get all of this done tonight. I can guarantee you that. So now I'm moving these over to the other side, my IKEA little desk. And I really like putting them together because even if I separate these desks and move them apart, I can put a long countertop on top of those tables or a nice piece of wood and cover it, and I have more space for anything, whether it's computer work or whether it's, making a long desk for my purses. So a whole bunch of ideas, guys, while I'm doing this is coming to mind. So I know I'm going to end up going to get something for this room, guys, because like I said, I'm just thinking. As I'm cleaning, I'm thinking. Cleaning and thinking. And so, yeah, it's going to be good at the end. I'm loving the way the room is coming together. I decided to turn the table a different way, and because the plug is back there, and that'll make it easier for me to plug up my lights and things like that instead of taking it underneath my chair just to sacrifice for a background. So I have come up with a different way to have different backgrounds, because I'm going to show you something right now. Can you guys see this? This is where that mirror was messing up my wall. And I'm going to have to repaint all of this. I'm going to have to spackle and repaint that. And I don't like that. It's not holes. It's just where the mirror was pressed up against the wall and messing with my paint. So I'm going to have to redo all of this right here. See them little, them little things right there? Yeah. I don't want that. I don't want that happening to my wall. All right. So now, like I said, I want this room to do everything, and I don't know how many times I'm going to need to move it around before I get it perfect, because, like I said, right now I'm going for function. I'm not really worried about decorating it until I get it to function the way I want it to function. I'm talking about the green screen with the green background, so when I want to film and do that, I can do that. Like I said, editing here, exercising here. My TV is going to be right there, and I can pull up my exercising routine on that. And yeah, I will know when I get it perfect. So I'm going to keep working, guys, and trying to get this water down before I go to bed. All right, guys, well, it is getting late, and I am very tired. So I'm trying to put, a lot of things back and not wake up to a mess in the morning. But I want to thank you guys for coming by, watching my videos, spending time with me, thumbing up my videos, and sharing, because guess what? You guys are the reason why my channel is growing. So I really do appreciate you. Now, part 2 and maybe part 3 of this video will be coming out soon, so be looking for that. But until next time, guys, I want you to stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.